Hey everyone, just wanted to share a tech tip on how to upgrade from Windows 11 Home to Windows 11 Pro. And as you see right here, this is on the latest version of 25H2 that I installed on this PC just 3 days ago on January 11, 2026. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is right click right here on Start and then go to Device Manager. Once you're here, just in case, under Network Adapters, we're going to disable both our Wi-Fi card and then our Ethernet card. They're gonna look a little bit different for you, but they should say Wi-Fi or Ethernet or something like this, family controller. Okay, so you just right click on it and do disable device and say yes here. And as you can see right here, I don't have internet. And if I try to get on Wi-Fi, I don't have the ability, okay? So now, and just to get back here again, you just go to System, then you scroll down all the way to About, and then you scroll down over here, and then you click right here, Product Key and Activation. And then you click here, Upgrade your edition of Windows. Last but not least, you click right here under Change Product Key on Change, okay? Now, here's the key that you need to enter. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that this is a generic key provided to us by Microsoft that we can actually use an unlimited amount of times to upgrade Windows 11 Home to Windows 11 Pro. Even though it's a genuine key, we cannot use it to activate Windows. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and just press Next. And now you'll see that I have the ability to upgrade my edition of Windows. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and press Start. And now you see here that it's preparing the upgrade. So all we have to do is wait. Okay, it took a little bit of time, but now we're here and now my machine is rebooting. So now once again, let's just wait a little bit. Okay, it rebooted yet one more time, but here, now it's adding the features that Windows 11 Pro is going to give me. So once again, all we have to do is just be patient. Alright, it actually rebooted one more time, but now my notification shows success, you're all done and your PC is ready to go. So now what I'm gonna do is go back here to Start and go to Settings, then go back to System, and I'm gonna scroll all the way down to About. Now you can see that this computer is officially on Windows 11 Pro. However, if we go down here to Product Key and Activation, we're gonna see one problem. It says we can't activate Windows on this device as our activation servers aren't available right now. Yes, we went offline, but even if you were to go back online, this is still not going to work because like I said, that was a generic Windows 11 Pro key, okay? So, because of what I just said, we actually do need to go back online. So I'm gonna go ahead and right click here, go to Device Manager, and now I'm gonna go ahead and re-enable my Wi-Fi card and my Ethernet card. So just right click on it and then do enable. Now I'm back online. You'll see there in just a second. There we go. Okay. So now that we're back online, the message immediately changed. Now it says we can't activate Windows on this device because you don't have a valid digital license or product key. That's alright. Let me let you in on a very small secret. It's actually well known in the community, but I'll let you know just in case. I'm going to focus here on Change Product Key and I'm going to click on Change. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to put a valid, genuine Windows 10 Pro key. And as soon as I press Next, it will activate, okay? The only way that this is going to work is if you follow these instructions to a T. You have to go offline, put the generic key, upgrade, and then come back here, and now you can put the Windows 10 Pro key here, and it will activate, okay? Of course, you can put a Windows 11 Pro key, and it will also activate. All right, so I'm gonna do that in just a moment. Alright, I entered my Windows 10 Pro key and I'm ready to continue. Now you might be wondering, why am I using a Windows 10 Pro key? That's because I bought a set of them a little while back and I want to make sure that I get to use them. Make it worth it, right? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and then press Next. As you can see, it gives me the ability to activate Windows. So I'm going to go ahead and just do that. And now, as you can see, it says Windows is activated. We've activated this copy of Windows. So if we look over here next to activation state, it says active. And if we click on it, now it says Windows is activated with a digital license. That is how you upgrade Windows 11 Home to Pro. And now you know that you can use a genuine Windows 10 Pro key to activate it. This is the most legit and genuine way to do this. There might be other methods that I've heard of, but I don't use them and I won't provide it anyway. Alright, so I hope you found that useful. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you have any other tech tips you would like me to share, let me know. Alright, take care.